The delivery room buzzed with tension and anticipation as a tiny miracle entered the world. A newborn male baby, delivered through an emergency lower segment cesarean section, LSCS, brought hope and joy despite the challenges. Born very preterm and with low birth weight, the baby was fragile yet showed remarkable signs of strength. His APGAR score, a measure of his immediate health, was surprisingly excellent. With a steady heart rate and strong respiratory performance, he demonstrated resilience even in his first moments of life. But the journey had only just begun. Preterm babies need specialized care to ensure their survival and healthy development. That's where the true hero of this story steps in, the nurse. What makes this story truly heartwarming is not just the baby's will to thrive, but the nurse's dedication to her job. With incredible patience and skill, she carefully cleaned the baby using baby oil, ensuring his sensitive skin was protected. Every stroke of her hand seemed to carry love and warmth, as if she understood how delicate and precious this little life was. It wasn't just a task for her, it was a mission of care, compassion, and commitment. The cleaning process might seem routine, but for a baby this fragile, it is anything but. The nurse handled the baby with such precision and tenderness that even the parents were moved to tears. The baby needed special attention to avoid infections, maintain body temperature, and ensure comfort. Her actions weren't just about hygiene, they were about giving the baby his first experience of safety and love in a world he had entered too soon. The nurse's efforts didn't go unnoticed. Every moment she spent caring for the baby reflected her dedication to the profession and her passion for nurturing life. Her actions remind us of the unsung heroes in healthcare, those who work tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure miracles like these happen every day. In a world where preterm births are increasingly common, this story shines a light on the incredible role that healthcare professionals play in ensuring these babies get the best possible start in life. It's not just about medical equipment or advanced procedures, it's about the human touch. This nurse's work reminds us of the power of compassion. Her ability to connect with the baby and provide him with the care he needed is a testament to the importance of love and dedication in healthcare. Stories like these inspire us to appreciate the people who go above and beyond, showing that even the smallest actions can make the biggest difference. As the parents watched their baby being cared for with such tenderness, they knew they were witnessing something extraordinary. It wasn't just a job for the nurse, it was a calling. And in her hands, this preterm baby found his first guardian angel. Thank you, nurse, for your great love and care. You are truly a hero.